Hello, this is a short video presentation on solving systems of equations by substitution. Solving systems by substitution is not my favorite way to solve, but sometimes it's the only way to solve. It's a very powerful way that we can solve almost any type of system of equations, or think about it, any type. So we will use this periodically throughout the year. All right, let's solve this system right here. The first step is to take one of the equations and solve for either x or y. We want to avoid fractions, desperately want to avoid fractions. So what we look for is a coefficient of 1. Look for a coefficient of 1. I don't have a 1 here. I don't have a 1 here. I don't have a 1 here. But here I have a negative 1. All right? I want to solve this equation for y. All right? That way I will not have any fractions. I can do it with fractions, make no mistake about that, but I want to avoid them. So 2x minus y equals 12. Subtract 2x. Negative y equals negative 2x plus 12. And I divide by negative 1 to everything. And I get y equals 2x minus 12. Now step 2 is to substitute my result, which is this right here. I want to substitute this, change my color, into my other equation. This is my other equation. So I have negative 2x minus 3y equals negative 4. I'm going to put this equation into this equation. I'm going to substitute this, which is what y is equal to, this value of y. I'm going to replace it. I have 3 times y. I know what y equals. It's 2x minus 12. So I get negative 2x minus 3, use parentheses, 2x minus 12, equals negative 4. All right? I'm just replacing y with its value, and its value is 2x minus 12. By doing this, I now have one variable, and step 3 is to solve for that resulting variable. So, move down here a little bit. Negative 2x minus 6x, I'm distributing, plus 36 equals negative 4. Negative 2x minus 6x, negative 8x, plus 36 equals negative 4. Subtract 36. And we get negative 8x equals negative 40. Divide by negative 8. Divide by negative 8. X is equal to 5. All right, I now know what x is, and we're almost done. Step 4, take the result from step 3, okay? This is the result right here, and place into either equation to find the other variable. I have lots of choices. I can replace or substitute it in here. I can substitute it in here. Or the easiest place is to substitute x right into here. Y is equal to 2x minus 12. I know that x is equal to 5. I'm going to place it in here, and I get y equals 2 times 5 minus 12. Y is equal to 10 minus 12. Y is equal to negative 2. My answer then is the ordered pair 5, negative 2. Okay? Quite simple. And the last step is to check, just like we did yesterday, all right, or when we solved by graphing. Here's my answer, and I'm good to go. All right, let's do one more. Here's our system. 3x plus 2y equals 1, and negative 3x plus y equals negative 13. What I want you to do is pause the video and try this on your own. When you get stuck, start up the video until you get to the point that you're stuck. All right, pause the video now and do the problem. All right, you should have gotten the ordered pair 3, negative 4 as a solution. All right, hopefully you did. Even if you did, watch the rest of the video and make sure you showed your work correctly. All right, step 1, we solve one equation for x or y. We look for a coefficient of 1. No, 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 yes. Solve this equation for y. Sometimes it'll be x. Don't be fooled because we used y for both of these problems. So I add 3x to both sides, and I end up with y equals 3x minus 13. Step 2, I substitute this result into my other equation. The other equation is 3x plus 2y equals 1. This gets substituted in for y, and I end up with 3x plus 2 times 3x minus 13 is equal to 1. All right, step 3, I solve for the resulting variable, which is x. 3x plus 2 times 3, 6x, minus 2 times 13, 26, equals 1. 9x minus 26 equals 1, add 26. 9x equals 27, divide by 9, divide by 9. X is equal to 3. All right, step 4. Take this result, x equals 3, and substitute it into either equation. So, come back up here. Here's my equations. I have, oops. Here's my two equations. This one or this one, I can substitute x equals 3 into either one. We know that x is equal to 3. But I'm going to use this equation right here because I already have y by itself. I'll get the same result, but this is the easiest one to use. So I have y equals 3x minus 13. Place x equals 3 in for x. So I have y equals 3 times 3 minus 13, 9 minus 13, scroll down, or y equals negative 4. My answer then is the ordered pair 3, negative 4. And again, do the check. I am not doing the check because I don't want to use your time, but you need to do the check. So this is our answer. All right. I hope this makes sense. We'll practice it for the next couple days and then move on to our last way of solving. All right. Have a great day. Talk to you later.